Hello everyone. Hello children, moms, dads, grandparents, teachers, aunts and uncles. Hello. Today I'm taking you under the sea. Shelly, the turtle, was looking for the beach. "You won't find it here," said Chuckles, the clownfish. "This is a coral reef under the sea." Chuckles decided to help Shelly find the beach. They met Pod, the baby dolphin. "This is the open ocean," he called, speeding through the blue water. Pod joined the search, asking Beaky the octopus the way to the beach. "I don't know," replied Beaky. "I don't come out of my cave very often." Nipper the crab lived in a sunken ship on the seabed. "The beach is a long way from here," he warned Shelly and her friends. Shelly thought she would never find the beach. Then Honk, the seal, came along. "Follow me," he chuckled. Honk led the friends into the shallow water by the beach. Shelly laid some eggs in the sand. Soon they hatched into baby turtles. "Now we know why Shelly had to find the beach," chuckled her friends.